day to all. In this video, we are going to see the aircraft jet engine key components, materials, and manufacturing methods. Aircraft jet engine consists of several key components that work together to produce thrust and power the aircraft. Here the main part of a typical jet engine inlet. The inlet is the opening at the front of the engine that allows air to enter. Its purpose is to guide and control the airflow into the engine. The next key component is compressor. The compressor consists of multiple stages of rotating and stationary blades. Its primary function is to compress the incoming air, increasing its pressure and temperature. This compressed air is then directed to the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, fuel is mixed with the compressed air and ignited. This process produces a high energy, high temperature exhaust gas. The next key component is turbine. The turbine is connected to the compressor by a shaft. It extracts energy from the high temperature exhaust gas, causing the turbine blades to rotate. This rotation powers the compressor and other accessories. The next key component is exhaust nozzle. The exhaust nozzle is located at the rear of the engine. It directs the high-speed exhaust gases to produce the thrust. By adjusting the nozzle, the engine can control the speed and the direction of the exhaust, affecting the aircraft performance. The shaft connect the compressor and turbine, ensuring the power generated by the turbine is used to drive the compressor and other components. The other key component is afterburner. Some military jet engines have a afterburner which inject the additional fuel into the exhaust stream after the initial combustion. This boosts thrust for short bursts of high speed flight. Accessory gearbox is another key component of aircraft jet engine. The accessory gearbox is driven by the engine and power various accessories such as hydraulic pumps, electric generators, and fuel pumps. The another key component is fan in turbofan engines. Turbofan engines have a large fan at the front which bypass a significant amount of air around the engine core. This increases the thrust and fuel efficiency, making them common in commercial aircraft. These components work together in a carefully orchestrated process to convert the fuel into high-speed exhaust gases, generating the thrust needed to propel the aircraft through the air. The specific design and arrangement of this part can vary among different type of jet engines such as turbojet, turbofan, and turboprop. The material used in aircraft jet engine are carefully selected for their specific properties, including strength, heat resistance, and lightweight characteristics. The manufacturing methods employed are often advanced and the precise due to the critical nature of these components. Here some common material and manufacturing methods for key component of aircraft jet engine. Compressor blade and turbines use the material is nickel based superalloy such that inconel and titanium alloys. Manufacturing method is for creating a compressor blade and turbine blade is investment casting or precision forging. This method ensures the blade are strong, heat resistant and aerodynamically efficient. The another key component is combustion chamber. The material used for combustion chamber is stainless steel, nickel based super alloys. The manufacturing method for combustion chamber is by using the welding process and sheet metal fabrication for various components and precision machining for others. Some advanced chambers may use the ceramic matrix composite for improved the heat resistance. The next key component is exhaust nozzle. Material used for exhaust nozzle is heat resistance alloy such as the nickel based super alloys. Manufacturing method is precision machining and forming process. Advanced nozzle may incorporate the ceramic material to withstand the high temperatures. The soft key component is used for material is high strength steel and titanium alloy. The manufacturing methods for use for creating a shaft is precision machining and forging. Shafts are often designed to withstand both torsional and axial loads. The another key component is inlet component. The inlet component is used the material is lightweight alloys such as aluminum or titanium. The manufacturing methods is sheet metal forming and precision machining. The next key component is fan plates. In material used for fan plate is composite material, carbon fiber, reinforcement polymers or titanium alloys. Manufacturing methods to create a fan plate is advanced composite manufacturing techniques for composite plate, precision forging or casting for metallic plates. The another key component is gearbox. The material used for gearbox is alloy steel. Manufacturing method is precision machining and hair cobbing and hair cutting machine for gearbox components. The another key component is afterburner components. Material used for burner is nickel based super alloys. Manufacturing method is precision machining, welding for some parts and investment casting for others. The another component is structural component. The material used in structural component is titanium alloys, aluminum alloys and composite material. Manufacturing method is precision machining, sheet metal forming and advanced composite manufacturing techniques. The another key component is cooling features. Material for cooling passage for nickel based super alloys. Manufacturing method is additive manufacturing. 3D printing is increasing used for intricate cooling features. This material manufacturing method are select to meet the strengthen the requirement of jet engine component, including high temperature, mechanical stresses and the need for lightweight structure to enhance the overall aircraft performance. In this video, we are elaborately see the aircraft jet engine key component and what are the material used in for key component and how to produce the key component by using various manufacturing methods. Thank you for watching my video.